HeatherEllis10 back again. I /home on the seed server today, and look what the fuck I found.
Let's take more.
I am just so pissed right now, and
I can't hear y'all.
And so my Skype on. I turned my Skype on, and
I can't
apparently
hear y'all.
these three idiots have been calling me non-stop. I am so laggy right now. Dude, I have 1 FPS. 1 FPS. Oh my god!
Kill the chickens!
Oh my god!
Kill the chickens! No, wait, I want to join the party. I'm outside. No evidence. No chickens must leave.
Don't
kill the cat.
Don't!
No chickens. I thought it was a chicken.
Oh my god.
No chickens must survive. Leave no evidence. Your dog is chasing me for some. Wait, just let the chicken run. I almost killed the dog. No, the dog is chasing me. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my, help me. Somebody help me. Oh my gosh.
Don't kill it.
Hey, you killed it. I did not. I don't even have a weapon.
Are you?
Killed it. Oh my gosh, Brian.
Oh my god. This is making me
Rest in peace.
so mad.
You're way out of hand. I'm at least killing chickens only. Heather didn't even upload a video in like months.
I just loaded one last night, you idiot.
Heather, do you have a name tag?
No, I don't. Not for the chicken people.
I think you can.
Are they up here too? Are they up here too?
Yeah, they're on every floor.
Oh my god. Look how much.
Check your other house as well. Check your other house. Heather, they're also in your other house.
Are you serious?
Yes. A lot of them are here though. Most of them were in here.
Dude, I'm supposed to be doing something with Nate. It's laggy. I can't. Ooh.
You sound like you. Yeah, nobody. I stayed at the frames the whole time. I had some good frames. I had good frames. Okay, kill it. Kill it. Be free.
Well, I told you guys.
Be free. Don't let her find you. Go, chicken, go. Chicken, go. That's a cat. Shut up. Got that Corvette? Go, cat, go.
You guys are pissing me off so much. Nate, you are gonna watch this video and you're going to see what they put me through.
Nate, I think you work for the government because you won't let anybody wear your Skype.
He works for the government. Did you just say he's ugly?
Maybe he's just ugly. That's why I didn't want to Skype. Maybe he's just ugly. You don't have to show your face when you Skype.
Yeah, you don't even have to call when you Skype. You just like type. Shut up, Mom. Shut up. You're gonna embarrass me. Oh my god.
I want to take you. Can you guys imagine Onion still being on the Salon server since last night? Shit. That would be so funny. If I joined server and he is on, I would just be like, oh my gosh.
He's not the type to stay up all night though.
Wait, back up, back up.
Me?
Back up, back the car up. Go to your other house, Heather.
No, I can't. He said lag. He said lag.
Turn around.
Oh my god.
Most of the chickens are gone from here. Now stop. Wait, keep going. Now stop. Now blow your horn.
I don't want to go to my other house because I'm gonna get really pissed.
Blow your horn. Your other house looks good. This one. Be quiet. Leave the call. Okay, I'm moving my car. Okay. Your other house is nowhere near as bad. There's only like 1 or 2 chickens. Heather, you might want to tell your cat to sit. It's following you. Are you coming? Oh. Oops. Flag. Okay, I'm back. Oh, so many chickens.
Oh my god. Your cats are dying? Dude! Josh, are you... Oh my god.
Heather, your mic is like dead. You need a new microphone. Oh my guys. What?
I'm not
I
using
just
my
joined the
microphone
Pixel
right now
server.
because I just got my hair done and I don't want to put on. I
He's
don't
still
want to put
on
my
the whole time.
headphones
He's still
on.
on there. He's still here.
Is he in the same spot?
Yes.
Are you?
Oh my god. I even used him. He is in the same spot. Oh my, he is literally in the same spot.
I can't even jump. I'm so laggy.
Oh my lord. It's the server lagging. It's not your frame. It's the server lagging. Oh my gosh, you have them onto this
You
server.
guys have lagged the server.
Heather, you know none of us can understand you because your mic is...
Everybody complaining about it. Do you see this on the chat?
What?
It's not.
System reboot, called it.
Oh my god. I'm ending the video right now.
Oh my god, I hope it brings us back to where the chickens aren't dead.
Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumb up if you think these guys are idiots, and then tell me what kind of prank your friends pulled on you in the comments. Okay.
I can't believe he's in the same spot.
Okay, Omni, we get it. He's in the same spot.
Okay.
So surprised the whole night, dog.
Heather Alice 10, or Heather and MC. Goodbye.
Ow.
Yeah, what he said. Whatever.